So hey guys, and welcome back to Apple Spot Show, and today I'm gonna show you that how you can get the Korean version of the PUBG Mobile on your iOS devices. So here's the quick one, so let's continue with the video itself. So the first thing which you're gonna do is just go to the App Store and find the OpenVPN. And once you get this OpenVPN, just install that application and then come back to the home screen. Then just open the Safari and search OpenVPN for Korea. Once you have done that, then just click on the first link, which is the free openvpn.org. Once it gets open, then just zoom it and just select any of the Korean VPN. So then it will start installing the VPN. Once the VPN is been installed, then just open in the OpenVPN. Then it will ask to add that thing. Just add, again add, and you will be seeing that the Korean VPN is being added. So the second thing which you're gonna do, then just go back to the home screen, then just click on your settings, then just go to your iCloud, then just click on the iTunes and the App Store. Just click on your Apple ID and view Apple ID. Once it asks for the Touch ID, just click on the Touch ID and then just click on the country and the region, then change country and region, then just scroll down and find the K. So here's the Korea Republic of. Just click on that, then just agree, again agree. So once you get on this page, just click on none and then just click any of the streets whichever you want. I'm writing BLOT number 1233 and then just click city, just leave it, or you have any city then just put that thing, any of the country, then write postcode 50530 and then just put your phone number, whichever phone number you have. So once you are done with this, all these things, then just click on next and then you are good to go. So then just come back to the home screen. So once you are back to the home screen, then just go to the OpenVPN and select any of the Korean VPN which have been downloaded. So just wait until it gets connected. Once it gets connected, then just go back to your App Store and then go to the search tab and just write the PUBG Mobile. Once you get this, then get button and you are good to go with the PUBG Mobile Korean version. So in this thing you can do many things that you can want. This version is better than the global version. You can also sign in with your Facebook with your same ID, but you will not get any of that statistics of old PUBG Mobile to your this PUBG Mobile. So as you can see here, the PUBG Mobile is being started to download. So that's much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button too. Please like and subscribe. Peace.